morning, everyone. My bangs are non-existent and I literally styled them yesterday, so kind of annoyed. It's okay, we still look cute, okay? I desperately need a self-care day. Just a day to relax and take care of myself and do what I enjoy, which is make a YouTube video. I have been struggling this past week. I have been stressed, I have been tired. I did get a full 8 hours of sleep last night though, so let's fucking go. I feel like I do look kind of exhausted, but we're gonna ignore that. We're being very real today. I really just want to spend like a relaxing day with you guys. So I feel nice and clean. I did my skincare, I showered. That new body soap that I got, I think it's by Monday Hair Care. It feels really good. Texture of it feels like conditioner, but it makes me smell really good. I want to try something new every time I get a new body wash, so I'm very satisfied with this one. The first thing I want to do is show you guys my matcha recipe because I think I have somewhat perfected it. It has like the perfect shade of green, you know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna do. I feel like a little all over the place. I just received some very good news. I'm feeling a little distracted. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and let's relax. So for my matcha, I will start with hot water and raw honey, and I just mix this in so it kind of melts into a syrup. And then I do a tablespoon of this hand-pick matcha green tea. I just get it on Amazon, and I honestly really like it. And I mix it together with an electric frother. And for my milk, I use soy milk because it is my favorite in the world. And for some extra sweetness, I go in with sugar-free vanilla syrup. I know it's a self-care day, but still some form of productivity. I consider self-care because I'm getting my goals done, and it's one thing to be overwhelmed with so many tasks and so much to do, but it's another to like get a small bunch of goals done. So I'm gonna do some work on my computer. I have set up the perfect vibe with my little candle and my flowers and of course my delicious matcha. I definitely work better after having done all my morning self-care and then setting up an ambiance. I don't know if I'm being so picky, but I feel like most girls can relate to this. I'm not somebody that can just get straight into work after I wake up or something. So let's get to work. And then I also want to do some online shopping, and you guys will help me pick out my shopping cart. I honestly got a lot of work done, so I want to do some online shopping. I made a list. I just want to go on Temu and get Tupperware for chia pudding, a couch pillow, and then I don't think I'm gonna get pillowcases from Temu. I'll probably get it on Amazon. So let's see what they have to offer. Okay, do you guys want me to screen record? Don't worry, I'll screen record. I'm just gonna put chia pudding Tupperware. Let's see if something comes up. Ooh, I like these. Okay, adding to cart. I hate putting like chia pudding and overnight oats in just normal Tupperware. It honestly grosses me out, and I'm sorry to be a little baby about it, but it doesn't taste the same. This is the one. That didn't take long to find. Well, we found that. That was easy. Okay, couch pillow. I don't love my couch. Oh, they have fall stuff. No, I can't do this right now. I just don't like the pillows that we have right now, and I kind of want more dimension. These are cool. Is it only one? Bro, I want a set. Oh, here's like a two-piece in white. I'll just add it to the cart for fun. I love all the funky ones, but like I need something simple because I do have like funkier pillows that you guys have seen. We need like a base, like a solid base. I'm just honestly not great at decorating, I feel. I don't know, I get like overwhelmed. Decorating costs money. Ugh. You know what? I'm just gonna go with that white pillow set. Well, I'm gonna order that and we are all good to go. Temu has been ordered. That is a form of self-care, in my opinion. So I hadn't planned to go to the pool today, but do you guys want to see the temperature outside right now? 98 degrees. That's actually insane. And I actually was craving like tanning, and it is a really nice way for me to relax. I feel like heat, when controlled, can be really good for you and your mind and your body. Being able to just sit outside and like hear the wind blow with the trees and see birds and butterflies. Highly recommend just sitting outside and tanning, even if you don't have a pool. Let's choose a bikini that won't give us too crazy of a tan line. honestly can't believe that I actually went in the pool and got my hair all wet because I washed it yesterday. I've been using this Maui wave mousse, but everybody says they don't like it. All my friends with curly hair, at least. I can't say it does anything to me because my hair is still frizzy after I use it. To me, as long as it smells good, you know, it's a vibe. It's so hot in the apartment that my hair is already dry, so it's not even like scrunching. To me, there's no such thing as a self-care day without a face mask. I put this sheet mask in the freezer so that it would get cold, moist, and hydrating, which is everything I need. The thing that's unfortunate is that I blow dried my bangs and now I have to pin them back, and I know I'm gonna lose the shape, so let's appreciate it while we have it. I'm gonna use bobby pins because I feel like it doesn't do as much damage to my bangs as opposed to like the fluffy headband I use. It is the next day. I want to start my morning with a walk, which I usually don't do because it's been way too hot outside. But right now it's only 80 degrees compared to it being 98 yesterday. Sounds amazing. Get ready for the iPhone 0.5 angle. Let's go. My hair looks strange. These curls are definitely not good, but they're not terrible. I'm definitely giving the ramen noodle vibe. I'm not too mad about it. It's already 8:45 p.m. I love holding my microphone like this. I'm sorry about it. I would pin it to my shirt. Maybe I will pin it, but for now, I just like to feel like I'm announcing something really important. I'm feeling good because my bangs are finally banging. I keep trying to trim them on my own, but I do it so lightly that I probably cut maybe a quarter of an inch, so they are still too long and like passing over my eyes, but I kind of like it. It makes me feel like an anime character. Speaking of anime, I started watching My Hero Academia. I've never been very into anime. I've like started shows and then dropped them. In high school, I tried watching Attack on Titan, Death Note. You know what? I feel like maybe I was just too young to appreciate it, and now starting My Hero Academia, I'm like so into it, and I've cried so much watching this show. We just started the second season, and I really like it. So anyway, I do want to show you guys a couple of my nighttime self-care products. Now I'll put the mic on my shirt. Okay, fine, you guys win. I don't take this every night, but I do have some Ollie extra strength sleep gummies. The serving size is 2. It's only 5 milligrams of melatonin, which is crazy because this is the extra strength version. It doesn't knock me out really hard. I have a memory of being in high school and taking half of a really small melatonin pill, and I think that half was 15 milligrams. And that used to really take me out, but I would take that pretty often because I've always had like sleep problems. Honestly, I feel like this is more of a state of mind kind of thing. I don't think it actually really knocks me out, but it definitely helps me ease into sleep better. If I'm really feeling like I want to go to sleep early, I will take some of this. I always moisturize before bed. This is by Method. I could put some on right now. I also put on my Mario Badescu lip balm. I'm not gonna put it on yet because I haven't brushed my teeth and I need to floss. This is your reminder to floss. Do you want me to be honest with you guys? I did have 2 cavities recently. And that sucked. I'm gonna be flossing every day because I'm traumatized after having to get my cavities filled. Anyway, I want to play some Animal Crossing. This is the Zelda edition, so it has these like cute designs on it. However, these little button covers are from the game Puppy Island. I'm just struggling, to be honest, to make my island perfect. It's nowhere near done. Why don't we work on it together? I want to have a little ASMR peaceful video game moment.